Greetings. Nhasi tikuda kudzidza pamusoro pema-degrees and minutes. Chatinofanirwa kuziva chekutanga ndechekuti 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Ma-minutes aya have nothing to do with time. Saka tisi kutaura pamusoro petime, tiri kutaura pamusoro pema-degrees and minutes, of which 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Tikada kuzvinyora in mathematical notation, 1 degree, I think we all know kuti symbol yedegree kakaita ka0 kadikaka. It's equal to 60 minutes. Saka tinorepresenta ma-minutes nekanaka kakangoita kadash aka. Then of course ma-degrees tinomarepresenta nekano kakaita ka0. Alright. Having learned that, let us go over to our first example. Saka tichaita ma-examples ari 2. Ma-examples aya actually represent, I cannot claim kuti wholly kana kuti holistically represent. Asi ma-examples aya fairly represent ma-questions ese anouya achibvunza pamusoro pema-degrees and minutes. This is going to be our example number 1. This is going to be our first example. Find the value of A, 15 degrees 56 minutes plus 8 degrees 23 minutes. B, 26 degrees 48 minutes plus 15 degrees 51 minutes. Saka example iyi iri kutaura pamusoro pe arithmetic manipulation. Saka kana chitaura pamusoro pe-arithmetics, tine 4 operations. Tine addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So the first type of questions anouya pama-degrees and minutes anenge achida kuti ti-add, subtractor, kumultiplier kana kudivida ma-degrees and minutes. So in this case, we are just going to actually add and subtract, but you don't have to be surprised kana kauya question inenge chida kuti multiply kana kudivide. So how are we going to add and subtract these degrees and minutes? Chekutanga chandoda kuita, I want to point you to a lesson we did. This was a lesson per cluster topic number 1, numbers. That we have that video on our YouTube channel. It is titled how to add or subtract time. Saka kana tichi add kana subtracta zvinhu zvine a different number base than 10. I know kuti in the next few seconds what I'm going to be talking about might be Greek, but I want to assure you kuti patichaita ma-number bases we are going to have a better understanding yezvandiri kutaura. Kana tichi add kana kusubtracta ma-numbers ane ma-different bases to the usually used number base, which is base 10, we do it a little differently. So I want you to take particular attention pama-addero atiroda kuita part A of our question. So part A yakanzi toda kuadda 15 degrees 56 minutes plus 8 degrees 23 minutes, like this. So kana tichiadda panapa sema-addero atangoita time, but I also want to remind you kuti ma-minutes atiri kutaura nezvawo apa have nothing to do with the time, even though surprisingly though we are having 1 degree equivalent to 60 minutes, of which kana tiri kutime, contemporary time, we know kuti an hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. Saka pangorine some form of similarity, but atori ma-concepts akasiyana altogether. So kana tichiadda, we should always have it in mind we should have it in mind, and so we should have it in mind kuti 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Kureva kuti in our addition, kana column yemaminutes ikadarika the value of 60 inenge yatova muregion yemadegrees. Saka we have to remove madegrees mumaminutes toedda madegrees kucolumn yemadegrees. Alright, some might be confused. Let me give you an example here. Ngatiti we are adding hours and minutes. And it so much happens kuti we want to add 2 hours 40 minutes plus an hour 30 minutes. You can pause and attempt that question. Iyo yandaisa yema hours and minutes. Then unpause kuti muve ne a better understanding of where I'm coming from and where I want to take you. So takati isusu, when we are adding hours and minutes, tichangoti 40 plus 30. So it's 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 a year, and 2 plus 1, it's 3. But we cannot have this as our final answer. Why is it so? Pamusana pekuti tikatarisa kuma minutes kweduko, we have 70, of which isusu we appreciate and we also know kuti an hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. What it then means is we should subtract 60 minutes here. Toitachi, tosara tine 10. 60 minutes tatabvisa tofanga kudziedda kuma hours. But before taedda tinodziconverta into an hour. Kureva kuti kuna 3 kuchanoedda 1. And our final answer will be 4 hours 10 minutes. And saka ndo operation yatakaita. This is going to be the same operation we do kuno. So our answer here is going to be 36 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. We get 9. And I am a minutes, remember. 35 plus 2, which is 7. Then over 30, 5 plus 8. So it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 3, get 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have 23 degrees, 79 minutes. But this cannot be our final answer. Why can it not be our final answer? In a way, kucolumn yema minutes, tinema minutes are exceed 60. Kureva kuti we have to transfer that degree kucolumn yema degrees. Saka, what we do here is maybe graph paper. We just come here, graph paper, and we subtract 60 minutes from 79. 9 minus 0, it's 0, and 7 minus 6, it's 1. Kureva kuti our final answer here is going to be 19 minutes. But tabvisa a degree, that's 60 minutes from 79. Kurauti ma degrees edu angawachi 24 degrees. So our final answer is 24 degrees, 19 minutes. Tatopedza. So I think it's not that much difficult to do. All right, let us go over to part B of our question. Irikuti 26 degrees 48 minutes minus 15 degrees 59 minutes. Saka for our part B, we are going to subtract 26 degrees 48 minutes minus 15 degrees 59 minutes. So tisati taenda kure toda kuita futi a comparison panapa. Let us say we have this time ngatishandise minutes and seconds. Toda subtract 2 minutes 30 seconds from 1 minute 40 seconds. Sorry, pardon my language. we are subtracting a minute 40 seconds from 2 minutes 30 seconds. What do we do? Tiri kutime, takaona kuti kana tichida kusubtracta 30 minus 40, we cannot do it because 30 seconds idiki pane 40 seconds. So what we did is we borrowed, you understand? Takaborowa a minute from 2 minutes. Throughout kuno kwakasara kuine 1, then minute racho tiri in the process of transferring it takariconverta into 60 seconds. Saka kunoku inosvika iri 60 seconds plus 30 seconds. 6, 7, 8, 9, kurauti it's 90 seconds. And ndo process yatakaita. Ndobva tazoti 90 seconds kana kuti 0 minus 0 ndeyani? Ndi 0 and 9 minus 4 ndeyani? Ndi 5. So here we 50 seconds. 1 minus 1 ndeyani? Ndi 0. This is our final answer. Saka the same operation yatakaita kutime ndiyo the same operation yatichaita kumadegrees. What then are we going to do? We predetermine kuti 48 degrees minus 59 cannot be, because 48 degrees idiki pane 59. So what we are going to do is we are going to borrow a degree from 26, that is it becomes 25 degrees here. Then we are going to add that degree yata converted to 60 minutes to 48 minutes. Kureva kuti we are going to have what? We can actually do it here. Tiri kungoti 60 minutes adding 48 minutes. It's 0 plus 8, that is 8, and 6 plus 4 is 10. Kureva panapa tane 108 minutes. I hope you understood zvaitika apa. Then manje, zvaitika apa manje, takuda kuti 108 minutes, togona zviitira graph paper, 108 minutes subtracting 59 minutes, of which 8 minus 9 cannot be. Then we add 10 kunoku, we also add 1 kunoku. So it's 80 minus 9, that is 9, and 10 minus 6, which is 4. Saka 108 minutes minus 59 minutes, we have 49 minutes. And 5 minus 5 is 0, and 2 minus 1 is 10. Saka our final answer is going to be 10 degrees 49 minutes. Those are tunongeita chete. And I believe it's quite straightforward and quite understandable. This is our example number 2. Toda kutanga nikuita A, change 26.8 degrees to degrees and minutes. How do we do that? Saka, I'm going to be employing 2 methods panapa. Method number 1. So, zvatichaita manje for method number 1 ndezvekuti we need to understand kuti zvinomborevei kuti 26.8 degrees. Saka 26.8 degrees, of course, it's a decimal number. But we have to understand with a decimal number, we can break the whole number apart from a decimal part. Saka 26.8 degrees inongoreva kuti 26 degrees then 0.8 degrees. 26.8 degrees is made up of a whole part. Saka this is the whole number part, and this is the decimal number part. And it saka having this knowledge, zvirongoreva izvo kuti in answering this question tinenge takungoti 26.8 degrees is equal to 26 degrees plus 0.8 degrees. And then manje tanzi ticonverte 26.8 degrees to degrees and minutes. Saka tinenge takuti converting part inoi 0.8 degrees to 2 minutes. Mapaona. Saka panapa manje tinoiconverta sei. We are going to use proportion. So the book takes us through a very short summary. I'm going to share it with you very soon. But I prefer proportion because with proportion, you never go wrong. Saka, I wanted to divide my solution into two parts, but I've discovered that I can actually squash the two methods rather into one method. Saka, instead of M1 and M2, we are just going to have M1. So panapa manje, converting this, zvatichaita ndezvekuti tichati we know kuti 1 degree total proportion is equivalent to 60 minutes. And then the question is, what about 0.8 degrees? This is equivalent to what? To X minutes, which we do not know. Saka panapa, instead of dealing with my decimals, I'm going to convert my decimals into fractions. What do you think 0.8 degrees represents? Is 0.80. It's actually 8/10 because of the decimal point value system yatakaita. We know kuti after the comma we have tenths, so it's 8/10. Kana kuti we know kuti we just count the number of decimal places after the comma to know the number of zeros in our denominator. Saka because panapa we have one decimal place up, zvongoreva kuti we are going to have 1 0 in the denominator, so it's 8/10. Saka panapa it's 1 degree equivalent to 60 minutes and 8/10 degrees equivalent to X. So tichaita saying we are going to convert these statements of proportionality. We are converting them to what? Into an equation having 1 over 8/10 degrees being equal to 60 minutes over X minutes. And so I want you to take close attention panapa. Changoitika ndezvekuti changoti 1 over 8/10, then 60 over X. What next? Zvatakuita panapa takuita chi? Cross multiplication. Saka cross multiplication inotiudza kuti E1 ish iri kuno icha multiplier X. This is equal to, then 60 yagara iri uko, you multiply 8/10. And iri pasi icha multiplier iri kumusoro kuno ichi multiplier iri uko. Saka panapa 1 times X is equal to X. And 0 ikacancela 6 times 8 the 48. You understand? So if X is equal to 48 minutes, this means therefore 26.8 degrees, it's actually equal to 26 degrees 48 minutes. Tinenge tatoisa our final answer. It's quite easy. It's quite straightforward. We also have an option panapa. Tichibva this stage. Saka stage yakati 1 degree is equivalent to 60 minutes. What about 0.8 degrees is equivalent to X minutes? Tinogona kutongoinyora takati 1 over 0.8 is equal to 60 over X. Totoita futi cross multiplication yedu panapa. And kureva kuti tinenge tawana 1 multiplying X, it's equal to 60 multiplying 0.8. Saka X is equal to 60 times 0.8, of which 8 times 0 is 0, 8 times 6 is 48. How many decimal places are just 1? Saka kumedu ya panapa. Therefore, X is equal to 48 minutes. Saka we are having our answer is 26 degrees 48 minutes. Saka instead of convert this decimal into this fraction, you can actually just treat it as it is, wozongouya multiplier panapa. But you have to be careful panapa so that you don't make a mistake, especially yekuverenga decimal places kuti tizive kuti koma yedu inge iri papi in our answer. So that is it for part A. We now want to go to part B of the question. Part B iri kuti express 53 degrees 27 minutes as a decimal number of degrees. Saka we want to sort of employ the same methodology yataita pana A, 53 degrees 27 minutes, and it's equal to chi. This much, it's actually equal to 53 degrees plus 27 degrees over 60. Chichaitika. Let me explain. Because chaitika basically ndechekuti 27 minutes tadzinyora as 27 over 60 degrees. Saka zvakafanana here izvo. Instead of kuti 27 minutes of what it's 27 over 60 degrees. Zviri kuitika ndezvekuti tikatora 1 degree, this is 1 degree, handiti inenge iri equal to chi tumaparts turi 60. Of course ndogona kusasvitsa 60. This is just for illustration. Ngoti utu tumaparts utu i 60. Maona. Then tumaparts 60 utu tikasheda 1 kana aka ndokanenge kari equivalent to chi 1 minute. Saka 1 degree is made up of 60 minutes. Saka tikasheda turichi 27. Anditi ndo 27 tonoto. Ndo tunge turichi 27 minutes. Of which 27 minutes is fraction of 1 degree. Saka 27 minutes is equal to 27 over 60. It's a fraction of 1 degree. Saka instead of kuti isusu titi 27 minutes, tavatangoti 27 over 60 degrees. All right. Saka panapa this is going to be equal to what? Zvatichaita ndezvekuti tikati isusu 53 degrees plus 27 degrees over 60. We can actually find the decimal panapa and say that we can be using a calculator, or we can actually try to divide into it. But my questions are usually appear in paper 2. So for this, I'm going to use a calculator. Saka 27 dividing 60, it's 0.45. So it's plus 0.45 panapa, of which it has ongeita tikaeda 53.45 degrees. Because question yati express 53 degrees 27 minutes as a decimal number of degrees. Kode yanga yakati as a decimal number of minutes. Aingawe yakadaro, it to be unnecessarily complicated, but it can be so. Saka ndo zvatinoita panapa. Imwe method yaunogona kuita ndeyekuti you can actually take 27 minutes, it's what's the converter to degrees by proportion. Saka iyi method handisi kuda kuiita, rather zvandoda kuita ndezvekuti angokuratidzai ma-statements acho. Unenge yakati 1 degree equivalent to 60 minutes. What about 27 minutes equivalent to x? Mobva apa muchitoenda, but you are going to have 27 over 60 as your answer somehow. Saka this is the answer to the second part of the question. What we now want to do is toda kukuratidzai ma-practice questions amunofanirwa kuva nawo kana uchikuita in this lesson.